SphereOne Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The SphereOne Wallet app claims to make paying with crypto as easy as tapping your phone. But is it really the future of digital payments, or just another flashy idea? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, SphereOne's biggest advantage is simplicity. It allows users to spend cryptocurrencies across different chains instantly without needing to swap tokens or worry about gas fees. Whether you're holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana tokens, the app automatically converts and sends the correct payment to merchants. That's a big deal for anyone tired of juggling multiple wallets or exchanges. Another major plus is cross-chain support. The SphereOne works with dozens of networks, letting users transact seamlessly across ecosystems. This means you can pay for an NFT on one blockchain and a subscription on another all in seconds. Security is another highlight. SphereOne uses non-custodial wallet technology, meaning you control your private keys. Your crypto stays yours, no centralized middleman holding your funds. Now for the cons. The first drawback is limited merchant adoption. While SphereOne is growing fast, not every store or platform accepts it yet. That limits its day-to-day usefulness for some users. Second, because it handles real-time token conversion, network congestion or volatility can cause occasional delays or slightly higher fees. It's rare, but it happens especially during heavy market activity. Finally, as with any cross-chain system, security risk increases with complexity. Even though SphereOne uses strong encryption, users should still be cautious with approvals and permissions. In conclusion, the SphereOne Wallet app offers a glimpse into the future of frictionless crypto payments. The surprising truth? It's one of the smoothest tools out there, but it still depends on how fast the crypto world embraces multi-chain payments.